Dumpster rental service in Bensalem, Pennsylvania. Need dependable dumpster rental services in Bensalem, Pennsylvania? Trust BroCo Waste and Recycling Incorporated for efficient and budget-friendly waste management solutions. At BroCo Waste and Recycling, we offer a wide range of dumpsters tailored to meet your specific needs. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, managing a construction site, or simply cleaning out your garage, we've got the perfect dumpster size for you. Choose from 10, 20, and 30, or 40-yard options to ensure a hassle-free waste disposal process. Why choose us? Our team is committed to providing prompt delivery and pickup services, ensuring your project stays on schedule. Our pricing is transparent, no hidden fees or surprises. We prioritize sustainability by ensuring proper disposal and recycling of waste materials. Our services are designed with convenience in mind. Booking your dumpster is quick and easy, and we'll handle the rest. Our team will help you select the ideal dumpster size and provide all the information you need to meet local disposal regulations. Don't let waste slow you down. Trust BroCo Waste and Recycling Incorporated to keep your property clean and clutter-free. Call us today at 856-900-7275 and experience top-notch dumpster rental services in Bensalem, Pennsylvania.